The Rosalind Franklin Institute is really the sort of brainchild of Sir John Bell. John had this idea that the UK needed to have a high-risk, high-reward institute, and that institute would be focused on our understanding of disease and the new treatments and cures for some of the diseases that afflict us. The goal of the Franklin is to change how we think about some of the most complex diseases and therefore find better ways to treat them. The whole point of cryo-electron tomography is we're going to look inside the cell for what the protein is doing inside the cell. So not only what does it look like inside the cell, but who's it talking to, who are its neighbours, and what's the consequence of those interactions. We're very interested in being able to look inside the tissue of model systems and look for the early stages of the disease as a means to cure that disease. I think is really an exciting possibility. The Rosalind Franklin and Thermo Fisher have been collaborating really since 2018 on the development of new plasma fib technologies. That's now come into being with the Arctis machine, and that's a brand new plasma fib which is highly automated and powerful machine that's going to simplify the workflow for groups across the world. And what we've been working with Thermo to do is to make this technology easy to use and as applicable as possible, because there's a power comes from when everybody can apply a technique to these big problems. We're entirely collaborative here at the Franklin. We've worked with Thermo for a number of years, with us visiting Thermo and Thermo coming to visit us. But it's not just Thermo that come here. We have collaborations across the UK and across the world with people. We share ideas and share technology. And so we're all in the same race against these diseases, not with each other, but it's against the problems that we have to work together to solve.